Alright, today guys, I'm just gonna show you how to do this is the alternator replacement. This is Mercedes E-Class. This is a W211. So guys, the first thing, you just open your hood. Once your hood is up guys, what you do is you just see our alternator is just right there, down there. So I'm just going to take you the procedure of what to do, and then so that you can get a best practice on how to remove your alternator just easily as possible. So first things first, what you do guys is you disconnect your battery. So you come to the trunk of the car. This is where the battery is. So you take a 10mm, you open this right here. Once that is done, you take it out like this, and then you just put it in a safe place. Make sure there's no contact between the negative terminal on the battery. So once that is done, alright guys, once that is done, you come in here, you take out this cover right here, you pry it up like this, and then you pull it out from the hooks. You can just put on top right there, and then you come to this side because we're going to be walking around here. So we take out this air duct, just pull it out like that. Then once it comes out like that, you just put it on the side too. So guys, we have our little arrow right here, so we have like some space. So next thing guys, we have to take out this belt. So guys, to take out this belt, you have to take it out from the belt tensioner right here. So you look for 17mm, just like this right here, 17mm. What you do is you put in the off position, like off. So when you're opening it, it's like you're opening something. So you just come down here. So guys, just right beneath the bell from this side right here, there's a 17mm thing right there. It's like a bolt. So guys, you just take this thing back like this all the way, and then once you do that, you just bring it forward and then loosens up like that. And then guys, once that loosens up like that, you take it like that, you take it out, you pull the belt away. So once that is done, you can let this thing free slowly like this. Then once that comes out like that guys, you can pull it out, and then guys, you can take your belt to the side. So this place is disconnected from there. So what we need right now guys is a 14 E14. Is an E14. I prefer you take like a long one or that short one. So this one guys, we have two balls. There's one on top, and then there's one below, right below this this pipe guys. You go below it, there's for another 14. So you just fill it. So once you do that, you look for something to open up like a ratchet. Alright guys, so what you do, you just put your ratchet in, then it opens. Guys, you take out the lower one. So this is the balls which is coming from here. Guys, this is the ball which will come out. Guys, they're all the same. The top and the bottom one, they're the same in size. You put that one on the side. You do the one on the top right here. Okay, there we go. You take that on like that. They're the same size. Guys, then you pry out this thing from here. Alright guys, you look for a pry bar, something like this, and then you pry out from here. Just like get it in like that. So once that comes out, you can pry from bottom here, just in between. Once you do that guys, this alternator should be able to wiggle, and then you just move it on the side like this. Then you gain access to the back. Let me see if we can get light in. Alright guys, so we want to get like enough light in there. So we have like a 13mm right there. We just open that, and then we disconnect this right here. So and we go ahead and disconnect this. So once I do that guys, this is what happens. So you hold right here, you press like this, you just press it on the side like this, and then you pull it back. This comes out. So look for 13mm to open this up. Put in mind, guys, we've already disconnected the battery, so you don't have any problem if you just leave this thing without being insulated, so nothing will happen to your car. So let me get a 13mm and then open it up. Alright, guys, so guys, you put like a 13mm right there, and then you can sorry guys, I'll get that later on. So you just make sure your 13mm is out, and then you can disconnect this right here. You can take it out from inside there. Guys, this is a bit tricky, so you look for something like a prier. Just pry it out. Just like that. So guys, you just pull out like that, so this thing should come out like that, guys. So once it comes out like that, your alternator should be free. So you just push this thing to the side like this, and then you can just pull it out. You can pull it out, guys, from here. Just pull it out like that. So when this thing comes out of the front like this, you can be able to just put it from the top, just like that, and it should be able to come out like that. So guys, your alternator is right here, so you can now replace it with another one. So guys, when this thing is like this, I can get my tool. It fell down with the 13 on it, so I'll just get it out, the 13mm, and then the bolt, and then it should be good to go. So alright guys, that's the simple process of how to remove it. It's easy like that, and then you put it back in reverse the same way we did it. Now it should be good to go. I wish you good luck, guys. Please like and subscribe for more cool videos like this, and see you on the next video. Drive safe out there. Alright.